Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price and certified pre-owned. Features also include keyless ignition, premium sound system, leather seats, technology package, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2017 Accord Hybrid. Honda Accord Hybrid is a thrusty mid-range punch, about 600 miles on a tank-full, comfy space for 5. A hushed voice. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.